Raindrops and Rooftops. I sit, watching the candles he bought for me burn into puddles of molten wax. The way the flame trembles to my breath conjures feelings I had either forgotten or locked away. Behind the curtains of crimson which outline this stage, in a music box setting left on display, for only the few who in prerogative lack the animosity to showcase the story, I thought we were conceding and feeding these mimes of emotions whose conversations I tirelessly try to reopen, once their dramatic moments have passed. And it turns out, after all, plastic roses don't perish, nor cherish the lives of their represented pasts. And raindrops and rooftops, though may share many a moment, have a relationship which could never last, always rolling off edges, draining down through the gutters and onto the hedges, evaporating to storm clouds to rain down one more time and slide from its surface too fast. And perhaps it is just the nature of passion, and not its practice, that outlives itself in a flash.